Hi students, how are you today? Fine. Okay. Stay home, stay safe. Students, today we are going to learn EVS Part 2, Lesson number 1, Maharashtra before Shivaji. Children, in previous section, we should learn about work of the Shivaji Maharaj, Emperor Krishnadev Rai and Emperor Akbar. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Nizam Shah and Adil Shah, these two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. There was injustice everywhere. There were many Watandars in Maharashtra, like Deshmukh and Deshpande. They loved only their jagirs and not their country. So people were tired of this oppression and were very unhappy. Now, today, we are going to learn what was Shivaji Maharaj did. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought to books the Watandars who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinctions between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the sons of all religions. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj. During a period of about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many sons were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. We shall see in the next chapter what these sons did. Then we solve the following exercise. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct option. First, the time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the dash period. The correct answer is medieval period. Second, Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in dash. The correct answer is Maharashtra. Question number 2. Match the following pairs. First, Emperor of Vijayanagar. The answer is Krishnadev Rai. Second, Sultan of Ahmednagar. The answer is Nizam Shah. Third, Sultan of Bijapur. The answer is Adil Shah. Question number 3. Write the answer in one sentence. Question number 1. Name the kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. The answer is The name of the kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects were Mughal Emperor Akbar, Emperor Krishnadev Rai, and Shivaji Maharaj. Question number 2. What noble task did Shivaji Maharaj undertake? Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. Question number 3. Who did Shivaji Maharaj fight against? The answer of this question is Shivaji Maharaj fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. Question number 4. Find the odd man out. First, here are 3 words: Swaraj, slavery, and freedom. Swaraj means Swarajya. Slavery means Gulamgiri. Or freedom means Swatantrya. So, here odd word is slavery. Second, here is 3 words: people, subjects, and king. People means Rayat, subjects means Praja, and king means Raja. So, here odd word is king. Thank you.